Shri Parasakthi Vidyalaya Cbse Class 7th Subject Chemistry.
Hello children, welcome to your 7th standard chemistry class. We are discussing the extra question answer for chapter 3, fiber into fabric. Write these question answer in your chemistry note, children. Write various steps for processing fibers into wool. Write various steps for processing fibers into wool. Already we have learnt the processing of wool in the previous classes. Isn't it, children? Yes. What are the steps involved in the processing of wool, children? Write the answer for this processing of wool. The various steps for processing fibers into wool are as follows. The various steps for processing fibers into wool are as follows. What's the first step, children? The first one is shearing. Shearing. Firstly, the fleece of sheep is removed. What do you mean by fleece, children? Fleece means hair. Firstly, the fleece of sheep is removed. This process is called shearing. That means the removal of the fleece from the sheep's body is called shearing. What's the second step, children? The second one is scoring. What do you mean by scoring? The sheared means the removed hairs are then cleaned by washing into tanks to remove grease and dirt. This process is called scoring. The sheared hairs are then cleaned by washing into tanks to remove grease and dirt. This process is called scoring. In this process, the sheared skin is washed in tanks. Then the next step, third one is shorting. Shorting. Cleaned hairs are then sent to factory. Here, separation of different textures of hairs takes place. This process is called shorting. Cleaned hairs are then sent to factory. Here, separation of different textures of hairs takes place. This process is called shorting. Shorting means separating into different sizes and colors. Okay. Then the fourth step is picking out burrs. B-U-R-R-S. Not blessed, children. Burrs. Picking out burrs. What are burrs? Burrs are the small fluffy fibers which are picked out from the hairs. The burrs are the small fluffy fibers which are picked out from hairs. These fibers are again cleaned and dried. These fibers are again cleaned and dried. Then the next step is dyeing. Dyeing. The fibers are then dyed into various colors. The fibers are then dyed into various colors because the natural color of the sheep is only in 3 colors. What are they, children? They are black, brown and white. So, in order to get different colors, the fibers are dyed into various colors. Okay, children. The next step is rolling into yarn. Rolling into yarn. In this step, the fibers are straightened, combed and then finally rolled into yarn. Yarn means thread. The fibers Write the next question, children. Explain the processing of silk. Explain the processing of silk. Write the answer, children. Write the answer for the processing of silk. Write the answer. A pile of cocoons is used for obtaining silk fibers. Which one is main in this processing of silk, children? Cocoon. Yes. So, A pile of cocoons is used for obtaining silk fibers. These cocoons are kept under the sun, are boiled or exposed to steam. The cocoons are kept under the sun, are boiled or exposed to steam. The silk fibers separate out. The silk fibers separate out. After keeping the cocoons in the sun or boiled into steam, the silk fibers separate out. Then the process of taking out threads from the cocoon for use as silk is called reeling the silk. Reeling the silk. We have already learned about this, isn't it, ma? Yes. What do you mean by reeling, children? The process of taking out threads from the cocoon for use as silk is called reeling the silk. Reeling is done in special machines which unwind the threads or fibers of silk from the cocoon. Reeling is done in special machines